equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the BIOS battery. It's usually a small, round battery on the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it. Before replacing it, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. This helps maintain optimal performance. Now, insert the new BIOS battery, ensuring it's securely connected. Replace the back cover and screw it back in place. If you're unsure about any step, remember, you can always get a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure you're informed. Your Lenovo will be back in action in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.